some of you may have implemented KPI inside your company, but then you were wondering why the result for your organization is not as you expected. So, do you have all these questions? Whether the KPI that you set is the correct KPI, whether the measurement that you do is the correct measurement, or whether the initiative that you do to achieve the KPI is the correct initiative. You have a lot of questions at the back of your mind, how to implement KPI correctly so that you actually can get the result of the KPI implementation. So the KPI training or KPI workshop will help you to clarify, to dive in detail in such a way that you actually can implement a better KPI implementation for your organization.